5 Charlie Alpha, you'll be following Cessna. It's coming up on your 12 o'clock now, in about 2 miles. It's coming up on Interstate 17.
Alright, Tito, what you gotta say?
Looks like a perfect day to fly.
Can you see it? Yeah, you can see it.
Alright, so today we're flying from right there, Grand Prairie, to Sulphur Springs, all the way over there. It's gonna be about a 45-minute flight. We have clear skies the whole way, and we also have a 15-knot tailwind.
You know, that's always good to hear, Tito.
Yes.
Clear skies.
Clear ass skies.
And we chose to fly. Okay, I'm zoomed out all the way. We chose to fly because it's a 2-hour drive. Why not just fly?
Thanks.
I didn't even notice that yesterday.
Oh yeah. It's clean. It's only like $27. I thought it didn't include the freaking wood, but it does.
I love that. See? Oh yeah, for batteries. Shut up. You make enough coffee for 2?
Nope.
Oh my god, bro.
JK.
It's big. A Mitsubishi?
One that makes cars.
Yeah. That's what I figured. What other Mitsubishi? Don't they make a phone too?
Yeah. They make everything. They make like, I don't even know. It's like Honda. They make cars. They have a Honda Jet.
Oh, Honda Jets are kind of nice though.
Yeah, they're cool. And then they make, I don't even know, lawn care stuff.
Yeah. Lawnmowers and shit.
If I don't put my pants with this coffee,
You have shit?
drink a lot of it.
No. What do you want to say? There's somebody behind me? Taxiing behind me, I mean?
Nope.
No?
Joe Biden.
Here, what does this button do?
Shut the hell up. Man.
Donald Trump.
All right, Joe, are you...
Tito 2024.
Hillary Clinton. Right now.
Gilberto Baez 2020. Fly with Tito 2024. There she is. In all her glory. Okay, grab the headphones from back there. kind of like flash them in front of the lens. Make it look purposeful. Don't go all slow. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. What do you check for there?
Right now we are checking for the oil, making sure it's at least at 4 quarts. Maximum it can be is 6 quarts. Right now it's at 5 quarts, so we should be good. I'm gonna check the propeller. Make sure there's no big nicks, dents, or cracks.
Why do you have to check for big nicks or cracks or dents?
Because if there's a big nick or a crack and we don't notice it, the propeller could break apart in flight, then we could lose our engine, and
Die.
we would go down, possibly die.
Yeah.
Then we check this big thing too.
What is that big thing called?
It's our spinner here. Look for any debris, any bird's nests, anything that's not good for the engine.
You gotta make sure. What is that? You gotta make sure it's clear.
Yeah, as long as that's clear. Then we check the pitot tube. We need this to be clear. This is important. It powers the airspeed indicator, altimeter, and the vertical speed indicator, along with the static port, which is back there.
Checking your light.
Yeah, make sure that's all on there. Now we just move this. This is called the aileron. And we look at our controls and make sure they're going the right way. So up is left, down is right on this side. That's good. Flaps. Make sure there's nothing obstructing the movement. That's good. We look at our tires. Make sure there's no bald spots. We check our brakes.
Where are the brakes at?
Right there.
Okay.
Make sure they still have some life on them. Tire life. Check this is clear. Our static port.
Static port right there.
Yep.
What's that for?
Helps power the vertical speed indicator and the altimeter. Just, it's kind of complicated, but it takes the pressure of the outside and the pressure of the pitot tube. Then it like does its thing in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then we check our elevator. Make sure it moves.
So down will move which way?
It's up, down.
Okay.
Check our tail. Make sure it's good.
And that'll move which ones?
One's at the bottom.
Move it? Oh yeah.
Yeah. Now I can move this. We have like 11 gallons right now. So it should be good.
What does that look like?
This,
What are you looking for in that?
for any water, debris, and any bugs. Or like,
So if you have water, you'll be able to see it clearly?
yeah, it'll be at the bottom.
Sulphur Springs traffic, Tower at 4 Delta November is 5 miles to the west. We'll be crossing overhead at 2500 Sulphur Springs.
Sulphur Springs traffic, Grumman 109 or Romeo, see turning left base, runway 19 Sulphur Springs. Sulphur Springs traffic, Grumman 109 Romeo Whiskey, departing runway 19 to the west, Sulphur Springs.
Sulphur Springs traffic, Cessna 5217 Delta is upwind on runway 19, going a heading of 26
traffic, Grumman 109 runway whiskey, turning final, runway 19, full stop, Sulphur Springs. Alright, full power, heels to the floor.
Traffic, Cherokee, 64 whiskey left, downwind, runway 19,
Instruments in the green. Airspeed alive. 50.
Sulphur Springs, traffic 3,
55. 60. 65. 70, rotate. Lift on that bird.
Oh crap. Homie's gotta chill.
True.
Damn, that's a lot of airplanes.
Yeah.
Sulphur Springs traffic, Cherokee 3564 whiskey left base, runway 19, Sulphur Springs, full stop.
Departure Grumman 109, runway whiskey 1300, climbing 5500 just off Granbury.
24 Delta, did you copy any of that?
No.
Okay, 24 Delta, I got a lot of people on frequency, so just use caution here. Flighting at 240 and climb maintain VFR 4500. I'll have a new squad code for you in just a second, so be ready.
Not gonna make it. Holy cow. Damn, they got an Apache.
God.
That's crazy.
Sulphur Springs traffic, Cherokee 3564 whiskey, final runway 19, get the 7 inside departing 19, Sulphur Springs.
And we'll get it that way. Where's it at? Oh.
Does this just go on here?
Yeah, he just
Oh
put it on.
no, finally!
Hey, can you help me out? How many airplanes we have?
The guy, I'm gonna clear all the registration between both of us.
Okay.
'Cause I was on the taxiway side and he was on the approach side.
Sure.
But the guy that's helping you over here, he says at least 123.
123?
Face the camera now.
John Noggle.
Yeah.
There you go.
Got it?
There we go. All right. Man, we are out here at the beautiful Airplanes and Coffee down here at Sulphur Springs. Airplanes and Coffee. Make sure I'm right.
Yes, August 2020.
Yes, August 2020 is when Airplanes and Coffee kicked off. I remember seeing that post of Airplanes. I remember seeing the group made, seeing Airplanes and Coffee, but then seeing it at this airport where it first started. And I was just like, oh, what is this? And it was kind of like a scroll. And then after a while, it started progressing. And then it was like, well, let's do this. Let's actually go out to it. And I think really what was prominent is when I think it was like that next year. I believe it was May 24 of 2021. I think it's when I got my pilot license. And then they had an Airplanes and Coffee. I believe that following weekend of it. Don't quote me on the dates, but that was my first Airplanes and Coffee I flew into was out at Terrell. Still 17 years old. Brought my mom, brought my sister. Had a hell of a blast. That was something. It was just like eye gazing at the same time, watching all of the youth there, watching things perspire to bigger things. Besides seeing it in yourself is a beautiful thing. Seeing it in others is my biggest effect when it comes to me emotionally, physically, as a pilot. I love to see it.
And that's what Airplanes and Coffee is all about. It's getting more people involved with aviation. a lot of people out there don't realize the opportunities that exist with aviation. They don't realize the steps that it takes to become a pilot or a mechanic or an air traffic controller, and we feel like having these months or these events each month gives people the opportunity to come out, learn about aviation, talk with people that are flying and active in the community, and we try to give them a free discovery flight if possible. We get people to sponsor us with coffee and donuts, and like Julian said, it started off really small, and now look at us. Today we've had over 100 airplanes. I've been told that right now we're at about 123 that have came in today, and so we're just happy as can be, and it's as much fun as we could hope for.
I agree, John. I think from a personal perspective, this helped as far as an icebreaker for me. I always took aviation so serious when I first started. I always thought, okay, you gotta have this lump sum of money. You gotta have this type of seriousness. These type of people are in this tight knit community. And it was like once I came out to airplanes and coffee, that literally brought my level of, I would say, anxiety. And I don't want to say I have it, but that type of feeling all the way down to just here to like shoot up the excitement bar now, get amped up, getting ready to start learning about what the real in and outs of aviation and the grassroots of it.
Yeah.
But we have an awesome community here. Follow us on Facebook, follow our website, airplanesandcoffee.com, and then come out and check out one of these fly-ins for yourself. We have them the first Saturday of every month. Again, you can follow our website and find out where we're going to be, and we'd love to see you, and come join the fun.
Awesome. Got it.
Intermission.
Good? There we go.
We're gonna go find the bathroom,
Awesome.
Julian.
Oh yeah, I'll make sure to catch up with you guys. I'll be right. Y'all gonna go in that building, right?
Yeah.
I'll be right behind you.
All right. Sounds good. Go this way. We're looking for a bathroom right now. Look at that. That's a nice plane right there. That one. Yeah. I don't like the color. I like the sound of it though. Straight up flexing on us.
Do that for Grumman?
Yeah. Where are we at? Red Barn Cafe. Go ahead and walk. When I grow up, I want to be pilot.
Do we have rock cash?
Huh? What are we gonna get Tito's son? I think it's recording. You want to say a few words?
A few words.
A few words.
Back in the good old days. Isn't Sulphur Springs like the place at Penn State Park?
Yeah. Did you go with us?
Yeah. With Omar?
Yeah. God, that pool. Did you get in the pool?
Yeah.
That pool was cold.
It stunk like balls though.
I was too out of it. I was too amazed. I remember when I jumped in, I started seeing like patterns and everything was cold. I could feel my back healing because of the cold water. Then I soaked up.
You guys ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
Yeah.
What can I get you all today?
I'm gonna get an omelet. Can you put 4 eggs in it?
Yeah.
I'll get 4 eggs.
Which one? The Razor has everything except jalapenos.
Does it have spinach in it?
No, we don't have spinach. Sorry.
Oh, you don't have spinach in it? Okay, I'll get the Razor then. I just found it yesterday. Julian, we're gonna be fueling. I'm gonna stay out here and just like record you texting over there.
Dang. Formation fly.